Enabling meeting room bookings is a crucial part of running a co-working space. To provide your members with a list of available meeting rooms, you need to create them and define their properties first. Before creating a meeting room, make sure you've added the resource rate or pricing model that will be used for one or more of your rooms. Check the description to find the link to that video guide. To create your meeting room, navigate to the Space module and from the left-hand side menu select Meeting Rooms. Click on Add Meeting Room and begin filling in the details for your room. Begin with setting a user-friendly name that identifies the room. If you manage more than one locations, select the location for this meeting room in the field below. Then define the number of people it can accommodate. In the Available From To field, set the date when the room was made available for booking. Leave the to value empty unless you know when the room will no longer be used as a meeting room, or when it will be closed for renovation. In the second tab of the dialog, specify the price of the resource by using the Rate drop-down menu. If no resource rate is selected, the bookings for this room will all be listed as free. In the field below, add a meaningful description of the meeting room that your clients will see on the customer-facing tools. You can also add an image in order to display it as a preview of the inside of the room in the members and admin portals. The recommended image size is 2048 by 1536 pixels. To differentiate the rooms from one another easily, pick a color for each room. The final step would be to define the room's privacy, meaning to configure the visibility of the meeting room to members. Here you have three main options: full access or public. Select this option to make the room available to all members and drop-ins through your public calendar. Active members. Select this option to make the room available to active members only. Limited. Use this option if you want to either make the room visible for your admin team only, or further define which group of members would be able to book the room by using one of the two options below. Select members. Add members to make the room available for the selected members only. Select plans. Add billing plans to make the room available for members with the selected plans only. Once you're done with all these configurations, click on Add to create the room. If you'd like to create the other bookable spaces you manage, for example if you've created a custom bookable resource type for the event space in your building, all you have to do is to follow the same steps, but you'll need to find the corresponding section for the event space under the Space module. To learn how to create custom resource types, follow the link in the description.